Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use Evernote. So to get started with a guide on how you can use Evernote. Evernote is a featured digital notebook that helps you capture, organize, and find anything from text, video note, and web clicking, PDFs, and images. To get started, sign up and install the app or browser extension. Create notebook to group related notes. Use tags to organize multiple notebooks and tag each note for flexible organization. Quickly jot ideas, scan document, add reminders to do checklist, and click entire articles from the web using the web clicker. It's powerful search including OCR and the keyword filters, making locating content fast and reliable. Evernote also supports task reminder, calendar integration, and AI-powered features like audio transcription and the smart note cleanup. Sharing and collaborations are seamlessly with a real-time edit and comment. While the free plan is limited to one device and 15 notes, paid plan unlock unlimited device, larger storage, and advanced AI tools. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this note-taking platform. And that's it.